Nancy Baraza's encounter with village market security guard Rebecca Kerubo remains emotive 7 days on. The results of investigations into the saga in which the Deputy Chief Justice, who doubles up as the Vice President of the Supreme Court, allegedly brandished a gun at a security guard while voicing threats to kill her, are eagerly awaited. Fears that the investigations would be skewed have been widespread, what with Baraza being a top judicial officer, coupled with Kerubo's claims.
Napigiwa simu nikiambiwa maisha yangu ni mbaya kama sita withdraw hiyo case.
We will be driven by the evidence as it comes up.
The police is not interested in either cover-up or persecution of any individual.
Investigators are said to have obtained the CCTV footage from the village market besides taking witness statements. However, police are still calling for more evidence from members of the public.
We have information that some members of public took pictures in their mobile phones or witnessed the incidents in question, and we are asking them to come forward and give us information, or you give it to the judiciary. If you don't trust the police, they will share it with us, so that we are able to get a very fair judgment.
But even as investigations continue, the Young Lawyers Caucus has given the Deputy CJ a one-week ultimatum to step aside from office for the following reasons.
We feel her continued service is going to impede on fair and thorough investigations. We are saying the nature of the allegations, they are very grave. So therefore, any conscientious person ought to be compelled by those such kind of allegations to step aside momentarily.
This, according to the Young Lawyers Caucus, is because the case touches on matters of temperament of a senior judicial officer and fair treatment and non-discrimination of persons.
In the public eye, this is a saga between a top-notch government official vis-a-vis a young, poor, humble lady. So, in such kind of a situation, public expectations must be managed well. And that can only be done after she has stepped aside momentarily.
But the Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, has expressed reservations on calls for Baraza to step aside, saying it was prejudicial to form opinion on who was right and who was wrong between her and the security guard even before investigations are completed. FIDA wants the police and the Judicial Service Commission to be allowed to hold independent investigations without undue pressure. On Monday, Baraza is expected to appear before the Judicial Service Commission alongside Rebecca Kerubo and other parties involved for questioning. The JSC is also expected to view the CCTV footage to ascertain the truth. Should the Commission find the Deputy CJ culpable, it may recommend to the President to appoint a tribunal to investigate her conduct. Should she be found guilty, the tribunal will recommend her dismissal. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.